Hi, let's see one of the gate question which was asked in the year 2004. Here they have given lines of code. So among those few lines of code is related to one struct, that is structure. So where every node they are calling it as a cell node, right? So that structure will look like this, right? First one is left child, middle one is the element, last field is the right child. These three fields they have given as one cell node. Okay, fine. So and they have given one function here. The function name is do something function, which is taking again cell node pointer meaning that which can able to store the address of one cell node, and they declared one value variable with a value 0, and if this pointer not equal to null, we will enter into the block. Once it will exit the block, it is going to simply return the value. Guys, if you observe here, they are trying to traverse. So they are trying to check for if PTR tends to left child not equal to null, meaning that when the left child is not null, meaning that if this particular position is not null, it is going to go for in this block. If right child is not null, it is going to go for this particular block. Right? So indirectly we can able to assume that it's a kind of a tree. Assume that this is the one thing, right? So obviously, you know, right, they have given the root node, right? So some PTR which is having some address as 100. Assume that this address is 100, this address is 200, 300 and 400, and left side is null, right side is null. Here left side is 400, right side is null. Here left side is 200, right side is 400, and here left side is null, right side is null. This is the basic structure we can able to assume as part of solving this answer, right? So the value returned by the function do something when a pointer to the root of an non-empty tree is passed as an argument is. Okay, so that is what this diagram is saying, right? So meaning that finally it is going to count total number of leaf nodes, or total number of nodes in the tree, or total number of internal nodes in the tree, or height of the tree. That is what they are asking. Okay, fine. Guys, check here. Is PTR tends to PTR is not null, right? Yes. Is PTR tends to left child? Left child is not null, right? That is what 200. So it will enter into the this particular thing, and it is going to count 1 plus do something of PTR tends to left child, right? So it is calling now PTR tends to left child means it is going to pass 200. It is going to pass 200. Now if it is going to pass 200, is 200 not equal to null? Yes, obviously. Then 200 tends to left child is not null or null? Is null. When it is null, it is going to simply exit this block. Okay, means when it is exiting this block, it will go for the backward, and it is going to count its value, right? So that means here it is going to count its value 1. Now PTR tends to right child. So PTR is now 200. 200 tends to right child is not null. No, it is null. Then it is going to make it like this. Okay, fine. So then it will go for the previous thing. Again it will come back to the right side. So height of this node is left side minus right side, 0, right? 0. Okay, fine. So but while it is segregating to the top level, it is going to add 1 plus, right? So it knows its value is 1. It knows one value is 1. When the height of left side tree is 1. If it goes to the right side, it will go for like this and come back like this, and here it is going to calculate right side and left side, both height is null, so it is going to have its value as 0. And when you go for here, When it will come back, here you will get the value 1. Okay, meaning that its height is 1. On the right side, you are going to get the value as 0. Among these two, it is going to take max of 1 comma 0. Max of 1 comma 0 is 1. Meaning that up to here the height is 1. Now, now, so it needs to get back to here. It needs to get back here. So 1 plus the present node 1. So that is 2. So here you are going to get the value 2. Meaning that up to here we have the height as 2. Now Now it is going to calculate once again max of 1 comma 2. Max of 1 comma 2 is 1 comma 2 is 2. So that value it is going to be written. It's going to be written. So simply this particular program is going to return the value as height of the tree. Guys, here the explanation is not that much your understandability. So for this question, I will attach the video the actual video of the concept, so you can just go through it so that you can able to clearly understand this concept. I hope understood clearly. Thank you.